Echo Mike 0901, wind 060 degrees, 20 knots, clear for takeoff. Runway 07, no delay on the roll.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, Lima Echo Mike 0901.
Push 1834, clear to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 19 knots.
Clear land 07 for Rouge 1834.